make this bigger? Oh, I can. Here we go. Evan Stone for judge? Vote on November 8th? What is this? What is this? Evan Stone? In-house counsel for Funimation? What's his little line says? Do your puny planet some good and vote for a candidate whose power level is over 9,000. Evan Stone. This is sent on November 2nd, 2016 at 11:38 p.m. That just seems kind of embarrassing, doesn't it? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to run for district court judge as a lawyer. And what I'm going to do is make a Dragon Ball Z reference in my ad, right? Well, let's watch the video. Now, I told you guys. Told you from the start. I didn't hype this. This isn't salacious. Nothing like that. But you tell me if you can figure out why this video might be interesting to certain people. Oh, here we go. That looks like, that looks like an animation. It might be owned by Toei. I don't know.
Hello, Earthlings, it's Vegeta, the Saiyan Prince. Normally I don't meddle with pathetic human affairs, but this fall, a funny, bald Democrat named Evan Stone is running for district judge, and he needs your help to defeat his lame Republican opponent. In 2004, Evan graduated from UNT with a film degree. After that, he went to law school, and now his power level is over 9,000! Please do your puny planet some good and vote for Evan Stone on November 8th. Political ad paid for by Evan Stone for judge.
Are we serious? Are we serious here? Are we kidding? Okay. Can anybody figure out? Can anybody figure out what the problem with this might be? Besides just being cringy, embarrassing, pathetic. Vegeta being a Democrat after giving his white power speech in Dragon Ball Super, all of that. But ignoring all that, can we figure out the problem with Evan Stone for judge? What, puny Earthlings? Now, I don't know. Okay? I don't know. Maybe they got permission from the license holder. Maybe they got permission from the license holder. I don't know if Toei Animation approved of Vegeta being, and I'm pretty sure that's the voice of Vegeta, Chris Sabat. I don't know if Toei Animation approved of their licensed IP being used for endorsement of a political candidate in Texas. And what's interesting about it is of course, that Evan Stone would probably be giving the legal opinion on whether or not their license agreement with Toei allowed them to use not only Toei clips, Toei licensed animation clips, but the intellectual property of Vegeta himself making a political endorsement using the official voice of Vegeta. Like, that seems like it's a stretch. But maybe they did. Maybe Toei and Shueisha, maybe in Japan, what they really wanted was their IP specifically being used for a political ad in the United States. I don't know if they did or not. But I think it's curious that this stuff keeps popping up. Remember, dig into the irony a little bit further. Evan Stone is an intellectual property attorney who spends his days tracking down IP thieves, pirates, right? Evan Stone prosecutes pirates, or not prosecutes, but he's a plaintiff's attorney against piracy. He protects the IP of Funimation. And here he is. Maybe it's all above board. I do not know. Maybe Evan would answer. I don't know. I should maybe reach out and say, hey, Evan, you want to talk about it? Want to talk about it, buddy? But if he did this outside of the license agreement, he needs to sue himself, right? Like, that's insane.